Every day, artificial intelligence becomes more powerful. Writing code, generating images, mimicking human voices. We use it to chat, to work, to learn, and even to entertain ourselves. But with such rapid progress, one question grows louder. Will AI eventually replace us? Will we control the machines, or will the machines control the future?
So, do you know what artificial intelligence really is? Or how it all began?
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It all started in the 1950s, when pioneers like Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" Early AI systems could solve math problems or play chess, but they were slow, rule-based, and limited. Still, the dream grew, to build machines that could learn, adapt, and evolve. Today, that dream is becoming a reality. Today, AI is everywhere. It helps you unlock your phone with facial recognition. It filters your email spam. It recommends what to watch, what to buy, and even what to eat. AI tools like ChatGPT can hold conversations, write essays, debug code, and even simulate emotions. Self-driving cars use AI to read signs, avoid obstacles, and navigate cities. AI is no longer science fiction. It's in your pocket, your home, your workplace.
As AI continues to evolve, it's not just changing how we live, it's starting to change how we work. Will AI take our jobs? The truth is, it already has. Machines are replacing repetitive tasks in factories, banks, and even creative industries. But while some jobs vanish, others are being born. We now need AI trainers, ethicists, data analysts, and prompt engineers. History shows us, every technology disrupts, but also creates. The future won't belong to robots. It will belong to those who learn how to work with them.
In the future, AI could become your doctor, your driver, or your tutor. It might personalize learning, detect illness early, or help build smarter cities. But with great power comes great responsibility. What if AI is used unethically? What if it invades our privacy or becomes uncontrollable? That's why we must design AI that is not just powerful, but responsible, fair, transparent, and safe for everyone.
So, will AI replace us? Maybe not, but it will change us. It will change how we live, how we learn, how we work, and how we create. The future of AI isn't just about machines, it's about people and the choices we make today. Let's make sure we choose wisely.